Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. The Vocational Hour project began as a way to get around health restrictions imposed during the pandemic and find young people who feel God's calling to religious and priestly life. The proposal came into effect in 2021 and was therefore taken up in the Vocational Youth Ministry Vocational Campaign of the Salesian Mission of Mato Grosso this year. According to the coordinator of the pastoral team of the MSMT Inspector Headquarters, Jacqueline Mendonca, the lives made on Instagram showed that the proposal is in line with the expectations of the youth as well as fitting the Salesian style and do vocational ministry. The Takuru movement, a Salesian social work located in Montevideo's suburban Lavaleja neighborhood, celebrated the anniversary of Don Bosco's birth and the Day of the Child with a celebration in different neighborhoods of Montevideo. More than 1,000 athletes, including youth and adolescents and children from Salesian social work, participated on August 14th in the 10 and 5-kilometer marathon organized by the Movimento Salesianos Takuru together with the Uruguayan Athletes Association. This marathon, which ran through several suburban neighborhoods of the capital city, was a true experience of integration and sports, allowing them to experience the feast day of Don Bosco and make visible the daily work of the educators of the Takuru Movement Sport Project. The Takuru movement is a Salesian organization of the Catholic Church that since 1981 has been carrying out its socio-educational and pastoral work in the city context with one of the highest rates of poverty. Members of the Rectorate of the Salesian University of Aracatuba Uni Salesiano gathered on August 19 for the inauguration ceremony of a Don Bosco monument and the revitalization of the Uni Salesiano traffic circle. Uni Salesiano Director General Father Ironte Tamandare, SDP, began the ceremony with the blessing of the flags of Brazil, the Vatican, the state of Sao Paulo, Aracatuba, and Uni Salesiano that were hoisted by the course coordinators. Then Father Tamandare blessed the monument of Don Bosco and the images of Saint Joseph Right and Mary Help of Christians with baby Jesus left, which stand behind looking at Don Bosco at the entrance of the institution. This year's summer camp of the Don Bosco Formation Center, called Magis, Be More, Give More, was centered in two phases. The first was held at Don Bosco Balamband from August 16 to 21st, led by Father Bryant Butanas, SDP, where the aspirants and pre-novices had the opportunity to experience the life of trainees, attend trainings and do various activities. The second was held at Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort from August 21st to 24th, focus on group activities and adventure with excursions to tourist spots. More than 6 months have passed since the beginning of the war in Ukraine, and in all this time the generosity of the Salesians has never failed. Both in Ukraine and in Salesian centers in neighboring countries, many young people, children and families have been helped and supported in various ways. Among the many examples that can be given, that of Slovakia stands out, where numerous initiatives have been carried out in favor of the Ukrainian population fleeing the war. So viewers, with that you have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.